These are the new and modernized elevators at an apartment building in Avalon, Pennsylvania. These were originally old Otis with black buttons from the late 60s. I would say around 1968. There were several other buildings that looked very similar to these. But Eastern just modernized them in the past year with PTL Performer. That one's not running. Only this one's running. I think that one's finished being on. I think it's just broken for some reason. It has a voice, but it's very muffled. And it also has a loud, annoying fan. Cut to 8, interior up. Unfortunately, I did not get to these when they were original, but Adam at his elevators has a video. Here at 8. Oh, it's not on that control. Come back on the 1. It's on Smartrise, not on Virginia. You see what they only use. It's a basic stainless steel redone cab. It used to have a big ring, kind of a big bumpy startles, whatever that motor is. I think it's touring. But the bumpy starts. Here back at 1. So we'll call it.